This is crazy. Check this out. I went from this to this. I'm going to show you how I do it in Lightroom. It works on Lightroom Classic or Lightroom CC, or from this to this. You're just using a new kind of AI preset, or from this to this, or from this to this, or from this to this. Crazy, even black and white, from this to this. So I'm going to give you this preset for free, and I'm going to show you how to install them. So you just go to File, Import, Develop Profile and Preset. You just click anywhere on the video and you give me your email. I'm going to send you the preset. So you just give me your email address, you unzip the file, and you got 2 zip files. You select them both and boom, you're done. And let me show you how crazy easy to use. So on this one, for example, I'm not going to use my daylight preset or my golden hour preset, but my sunset preset. One click, and then all you have to do is hold on the Option key to set your black point. What you see in yellow and black is 100% black. You reveal the photo with your white, and you adapt the white balance how you want it and the exposure, and you're done. Let's do a little golden hour shot. So I'm going to go for golden hour. Same thing, you check out the black point. It's a bit strong on this one. You just hold on the Option key if you're on a Mac or the Alt key on Windows. Give it a good boost, and boom. I'm just going to erase the dust, and on this one I'm going to resize it in 16:9, and boom. Check out this one. Crazy shot I did in Provence, French Riviera, my favorite part in France. And check this out, blue hour, it looks really weird, but if you do the black point with the Alt key or the Option key, and then you do the white, you adapt the white balance really quick. Look at that, you got an award-winning photo. And by the way, these are the presets I'm doing for my upcoming book on London. I shot a book for London, it's my number 8 book. I do these big coffee table books that are sold out in every library on the planet. These are the presets I'm using. So look at this one, frame in a frame of the Empire State Building. This was a sunrise, so I'm going to use a sunset preset. And then same thing on this one, I'm going to do my black point. Oh, it's way too strong. My white point. Maybe a little warmer because it was sunset, a bit like this, and boom. You can refine it more, but you got it. All you have to do is click on this side anywhere, give me your email, I send you the preset, watch the video on how to use them. I promise you it's gonna change your life. Why am I doing this? I do a lot of workshops around the world, I do a lot of coaching, and I'm hoping that you see the value in this preset, and maybe one day you come on my coaching, or even better, you come with me to Paris, London, or New York, or somewhere in a national park like Yosemite to take some photos with me. Okay, one last crazy, the black and white. This one, I'm not going to use black and white 1, maybe black and white 3. Yes, one click. Look at that, it's crazy. And then auto. These presets are the real deal. Click to get them. I hope I'll give you value, and I hope to see you one day on my coaching program.